In this video, we're going to learn the present progressive, and we'll be focusing on the present progressive for future plans. What is a present progressive? It is used to talk about something we already decided to do in the near future. For example, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. It's a plan I already made. Now, I have a total of 10 sentences here, and I have a total of 10 sentences over here. So first we're going to work these 10 together, and then you can pause the video and do the other ones from 11 to 20 by yourself. So before we start, we need to read our instructions. So our instructions indicate to complete the sentences affirmative. Affirmative simply refers to positive, or it refers to things that we want to give an answer as a yes. And here is our structure. If we can remember this structure, you will never have no problem when you're being tested for present progressive. So our subjects need to be followed by is, are plus ing, and our future expression. Let's start with the first one. I can also write I as I'm. Contraction of I am is I'm. And our verb over here is meet, and we need to add ing. So I'm meeting my friend tomorrow, and this is our future time expression. Next one. She is, we can write it as she's visiting. Visiting plus ing. Her grandparents next week, future time expression over here. Next we have they, and we use they are. They are go together, so it's they're playing, play add ing. They are playing soccer after school. Time expression is after school. Next one. We are, we're going. Let's add ing to the park on Saturday. Our time expression is on Saturday. Now the next one, number 5, he is. Contraction of he is his. Verb is watch, and we need to add ing to the verb watching. So he's watching a movie tonight. Tonight is our future time expression. I am is I'm having dinner with my family this evening. Next one. She's studying. Add ing. English after lunch. Time expression after lunch. We're traveling. Traveling. We need to add ing to the verb. And we are is simplified to we're to Taipei next weekend. Next we have they are. We can write it in the contraction. They're coming. Coming. We drop the e for coming. Okay, and we simply add ing. They're coming to my house on Friday. Next one we have he is. He's helping. Add ing. He's helping his mom in the kitchen later. Remember that we use he and she for is, and when we are including more than one person, we use are, and the only subject we use with am is I. Alright, you can pause the video and try these by yourself. Now let's check the answers together. I am, so we can write it as I'm calling. Let's add ing to the verb. I'm calling my cousin tonight. The time expression is tonight. She is. She's buying. We add ing. She's buying a new dress tomorrow. We're making. We drop the e for making, and we add ing. A project at school next weekend. They are They're visiting. Let's add ing to the verb visit. They are visiting the museum on Sunday. He's starting, add ing, he's starting his new class on Monday. Next one, I is no, I are no, is I'm cleaning, add ing, my room this afternoon. She's meeting, add ing, she's meeting her teacher after school. They are, they're having, and we drop the e for having and we add ing. A picnic on Sunday. We are, so we're playing. Let's add ing to playing. We're playing board games tonight. And the last one is his visiting, ing to visit his uncle next weekend. Now, did you get all these correct? You can let me know down in the comments, and I hope this video helps you practice present progressive, focusing on future plans. Thank you for watching.